Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to explain about the top 5 magical tricks in Microsoft Word. Before going to that, those who are watching my channel newly, please subscribe my channel. While watching this video, so don't skip in the middle. To get more knowledge, watch the video till end. Now let us see the top 5 magical tricks in Microsoft Word. See here, the first one is calculation, second one is paragraph, third one is vertical selection, lines and table. Now let us discuss about the first one, calculation. In general, calculation we will see in Microsoft Excel, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But whereas if we want to do these calculation in Microsoft Word, one option is there, calculate. So this option we have to get it onto the quick access toolbar. You observe here, this is the quick access toolbar. Here on this quick access toolbar, we have to get that calculate option. For that, the procedure is click on this drop down arrow button which is on quick access toolbar. After that, click on this more commands. You observe here, we have to click on this drop down arrow button. In that, we have to select all commands. In all commands, go calculate. We have to search for calculate. See this one. Okay, this option, calculate. So click on this calculate and click on add and click on OK. You observe here. Here the calculate option is came onto the quick access toolbar. Okay, right. Suppose 58 plus 68 plus 97. So this calculation I want, for example. Okay, so in Microsoft Word, to do the calculations, just select this one. After that, click on this calculate. Formula option is there now here. Just click on this one and you observe here. Here is the result. The result of the calculation is, okay, once again you click here and you observe there. The result of the calculation is, see here. Select, see here. The result of the calculation is 220. See. So this one. The result of the calculation is 220. So like that, so we can do calculation in Microsoft Word. For example, 480 into 560, 480 into 56 into 80. So we have to do the multiplication. This procedure is same. Select this one. So click on this formula option. Okay. Now observe the result. The result of the calculation is that one. So you click here, automatically it will show the result here. See here, this is the, here it shows the result. See here. Okay, so this is about calculation in Microsoft Word. Okay, now let us see the second one. What is the second one? Paragraph. Okay, paragraph. Suppose here, so no paragraph is there. Suppose I want three paragraphs. Okay, here in this document, in the page number 2, I want three paragraphs. If I type, it takes time. Otherwise, I have to copy the three paragraph from some other file and I have to paste here. But no need of that one. Just type like this, is equal to RAND, open bracket. How many paragraphs? Three paragraphs. Type 3 here, close bracket, and simply press enter. See here, you observe here. This is the first paragraph from here to here, and this is the second paragraph from here to here, and this is the third paragraph. Okay, we can also give this command like this also, is equal to ra and the open bracket, how many paragraphs you want, 3 paragraphs, and in that each paragraph how many lines you want, two lines I want, 2 lines, again close. That means, so this one indicates for the total number of paragraphs, and this digit indicates for the number of lines in each paragraph. Okay, now press enter. You observe here, 1 2 complete lines, 2 lines, 1 2 3, 3 paragraphs are there. We have given 3 paragraphs, and each paragraph we have entered 2 lines, 1 2 1 2, so like that. Okay, so this is about paragraphs. And the third magical trick is vertical selection. Vertical selection, suppose you observe here, here one paragraph is there. Now we are discussing about vertical selection. See here, suppose I want to delete this on OVE, on the overall footers and charts. How we can delete? That means only in this 1 2 3 4 lines are there in this paragraph. In this 4 lines of paragraph, I want to delete only on this overall footers charts. On the overall footers and charts I want to delete. How it is possible? Suppose if I select this one, yes, we can delete, but I want to delete only on the, see here, on the, if I select this overall means automatically it is selecting the complete line. If I want to select only footer means automatically it is selecting like that. It is not possible. If I select this on the, it is okay, but if I comes to the overall, automatically this side that complete line is selected. Now my requirement is I want to select only this on the overall footers and charts. Okay, so for that keep the cursor here and press the alt button in keyboard. Press the alt button in keyboard, and so up to here drag the mouse. See here, exactly where you want to select, you can select by holding the alt button in keyboard and drag with the mouse. See here, if you want to delete, just press delete button. See here. Okay, so this is we are calling as the vertical selection. Or for example here also, if you want to select only particular words, see here, press alt button, see here, like that. But without alt button, if you select this one, if you are coming, this means second line means automatically it's selecting complete line. Okay, so this is about, the third magical trick. And the fourth one is lines. Fourth one is lines. See here, suppose if we want a line in Microsoft Word, actually we have to go to the insert and in shapes, and in shapes we have these lines, type of lines. If you want this line, we have to draw like this. Okay, but here if we want the line means, simply we press the minus symbol in the keyboard 3 times, 1 2 3, and press enter. For example, see here, you have typed welcome. Okay, here is your cursor. If you want the line, okay, so just press 1 2 3 and enter. See here. Okay, see, minus symbol in keyboard, 1 2 3, and you enter 1 2 3. See, so type something. If you want underline means, type 3 times, 1 2 3. See here, 1 2 3, and press enter button. If you want 2 lines, means equal symbol from the keyboard, See, type 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and press enter button. Okay. If you want 3 lines, press the hash symbol from the keyboard 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you want the zigzag line, just press the tilde button. Tilde button means the very first button in the keyboard is escape, ESC. So below that one we have tilde button. See here, just press 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and you enter. In this way we can draw the lines in Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is about the lines in Microsoft Word. What is the last one? Table. See here, table. So if we want to draw a table in Microsoft Word, the actual procedure is click on insert and here is the table. We have to select. See here, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 rows means like that we have to select. Okay. But here the procedure is simple. First, if you want to draw the table in Microsoft Word, first click on the plus symbol. After that, minus symbols. Up to here you want that cell. Again press plus symbol. Again plus symbol. Again plus symbol. See here. So this is one cell. This is one cell, and this is one cell. Okay. Complete 3 cells will come. See here. 3 cells. Here also you want another row of this table. Just press tab button in the keyboard. See here. Tab button. Okay. So this is about the top 5 magical tricks in Microsoft Word, and this is part 1. Okay. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.